This homemade syrup is 100 times stronger than antibiotics. This natural recipe has been used for generations. You don't need to spend a fortune at the pharmacy when you have a cold. To make it, you'll need 2 heads of garlic. It's important that the garlic is organic. When buying it, pay attention to its country of origin. Peel it and chop it into small pieces. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. Our grandmothers used it when treating colds for a reason. It's an excellent antibacterial agent that warms and helps clear the airways. Studies have shown that garlic is an excellent remedy that supports the treatment of viral infections. Regular use of garlic helps combat colds caused by infections and also helps with coughs and inflamed mucous membranes. The next ingredient is ginger, which also has many healing properties. Peel it using a spoon and cut it into small pieces. Ginger root has detoxifying, pain-relieving, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. This is all thanks to gingerol, which is a potent antioxidant. Prepare clean jar. Put the chopped garlic and ginger into it. The base of the syrup will be honey. This liquid gold is indispensable during illness. It acts like a compress on the infected throat. It is recommended for hoarseness, cough, dryness, and throat pain. Honey has bacteriostatic, antifungal, and immune-boosting properties due to the antioxidants it contains. The final ingredient for the syrup is lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze the juice. Use a strainer to separate the seeds from the juice. It strengthens the immune system. Pour the juice into the jar with the syrup. Mix everything thoroughly. Leave this homemade syrup overnight. The ingredients in it inhibit the development of infection. During a cold, take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day.
A greengrocer's trick with ginger. It will stay fresh for up to a year. When you have more ginger, storing it this way prevents it from rotting or drying out. Regardless of the season, you can keep it for months. All you need is a cardboard box. Get a box with a lid that can fit your ginger. Ginger shouldn't be exposed to sunlight, and in too humid an environment, it starts to rot quickly. That's why we'll use cardboard. But not only that, you'll also need some paper towels. Tear off a few pieces, enough for the amount of ginger you have. Now grab some baking soda. It's essential for storing ginger. Line the bottom of the box with paper towels. The cardboard will provide a stable temperature for the ginger and protect it from sunlight. Remember, don't wash the ginger before packing. It needs to be dry. Sprinkle a layer of baking soda over the paper. Baking soda not only absorbs moisture but also prevents the ginger from sprouting. Next, place another paper towel over the soda layer, then add the ginger. Add another layer of paper towel, sprinkle more baking soda, and cover with paper again. Keep layering if you have more ginger. Place a paper towel on top and close the box. Store the box in a dry, cool, but well-ventilated place. Your ginger will stay fresh even after several months. This pink drink contains natural ingredients. It's a homemade antibiotic for just a few pennies. It's proven to help fight colds, strengthens the body, and protects against infections. Peel 1 red onion and slice it. Onion has antibacterial properties and helps clear the upper respiratory tract. Then, chop a piece of ginger. Combined with onion, it soothes coughs and sore throats. Also, chop 1 clove of garlic, a natural antibiotic. Take 1 fresh lime and slice it. Lime has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Add all the ingredients to a pot in order. Onion helps treat coughs, ginger warms and soothes the throat. Garlic acts like an antibiotic, and lime helps treat upper respiratory issues. Add 2 cinnamon sticks. This spice effectively soothes sore throats and persistent coughs. Pour in 2 cups of water and turn on the stove. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer it covered for 15 minutes. Then strain and pour it into a glass. Add a teaspoon of honey to the cooled drink. It's recommended to drink a glass of this twice a day for 1 week. It will not only help with colds, but also improve overall health, supporting the body and fighting various illnesses. This is a secret for stronger nails that very few people know. Grate fresh ginger and apply it to your nails. Then wrap the nail with a piece of aluminum foil so the ingredients can work longer. Ginger has warming properties and may help support nail care. Wait 10 minutes, remove the foil and wipe off the ginger. Your nails will look more refreshed and well cared for. My grandmother used to apply this to her neck every winter. Open the pad and prepare fresh ginger. Peel it and grate it. Transfer to a bowl and add olive oil. Pour warm water into a large bowl and place the ginger with the oil in it. Stir for a moment. Apply a thin layer to the center of the pad. Simply place it on your neck area to feel a pleasant, deep warmth. This is the perfect trick for cold days when the chilly air can be really felt. I apply this to my feet and knees every day. Ever since my grandma started walking on her own again, I've been doing it regularly. You only need 2 ingredients. Start with a small bowl. The main ingredient in this mix is ginger, preferably dried. Ginger has amazing properties. It warms, stimulates, and feels great on the skin. Add 2 tablespoons of dried ginger to the bowl. Measure out a 1/4 cup of hot water. It needs to be hot to activate the natural compounds in the ginger. Pour the water into the bowl and mix everything into a thick, smooth paste. Before applying it, warm up a small towel with an iron. It should be nice and warm. Tear off a piece of paper towel and spread the ginger paste on it. Gently place it on your feet or knees. Cover it with the warm towel to help the mixture absorb better. After about 30 minutes, the ingredients will have done their job. This simple method helps relieve tension and discomfort. It's a perfect way to improve your mobility and feel better. Ginger in the car will save your life. Trust me. This method is a new discovery for many. The results are remarkable. Keep ginger in the glove compartment and you won't regret it. It's important to always have it in the car. Rub a piece of ginger on the car window. After a while, you'll see why it's worth doing. This trick is something that most people probably don't know about yet. It turns out that an inconspicuous piece of ginger can be useful during rain. Such a sight is certainly familiar to any driver. However, if our car has weak wipers, their work can be improved by a simple piece of ginger. Just carefully rub the car window with it, inch by inch. Ginger contains naturally occurring substances whose properties create a lotus effect on the glass. This is a scientific concept that describes the self-cleaning effect of surfaces. Discovered for the first time in plants of the lotus genus Nelumbo. A window treated with ginger will quickly repel water and dirt from its surface. This improves visibility on the road during rain. Your journey will be much safer, and challenging conditions won't scare you. Just wipe the window with a piece of ginger from time to time, so always have it in the car.